In this video, I'm going to be going over how to enable automatic updates in WordPress step by step. Enabling automatic updates in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you'll successfully have your updates enabled in WordPress. Let's get started. I'm here in the WordPress dashboard. Hover over Plugins in the left side menu. Click Add Plugin. In the search field, type in Easy Updates Manager. You'll see the plugin showing here. Click the Install Now button. Once it is done installing, click the Activate button. Next, in the left side menu, hover over Dashboard and click Updates Options. You'll be taken to the Easy Updates Manager plugin page. You'll see under the Disable All Updates, you can select Enable All Updates or Disable All Updates. Select Enable All Updates if you want to enable automatic updates. Now you can choose what you want to automatically update. You'll see WordPress core updates. You can choose to auto update. If you click Auto Update All Releases, it'll automatically update WordPress core updates and all the latest minor versions of WordPress that come out. You can also select Auto Update All Minor Versions of WordPress if you only want to auto update these and not the newest WordPress core update along with it. If you scroll down, you'll see Plugin Updates. Click the Enable Auto Updates for plugins to auto update. If you want to choose specific plugins to auto update, click this option called Choose Per Plugin. Next, scroll up to the top and in the menu, click Plugins. You'll now see a list of the plugins on your site. You'll see automatic updates underneath each plugin. Just click on to enable automatic updates for that specific plugin. I'll scroll up and go back to General to get back to the previous page. I'll scroll down and you'll see Theme Updates. Click the Enable Auto Updates button to enable auto updates for themes. If you click the Choose Per Theme button, you can choose which themes auto update. To choose which themes, scroll up to the top and click Themes. You'll now see the themes showing. You'll see Automatic Updates. Click on to enable automatic updates for that specific theme. I'll scroll back up to the top. I'll click General. I'll scroll down to Translation Updates. You can choose to enable auto updates for this if you'd like. Next, you'll see notification emails. You can enter your email address here that you want to receive the auto update notifications to if you'd like. Click Save Email Address to finish setting it up. Scroll down and you'll see Automatic Updates, Notification Emails. You can then turn off or on auto update notifications that you want to receive. You now know how to enable automatic updates in WordPress. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.